do we exist?
The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said he is the last prophet.
But do you know?
He is also the first prophet.
He is also the first man.
He is also the last man.
If you take these hadiths literally,
The Holy Prophet ﷺ is the only prophet.
If you take these hadiths literally,
The Holy Prophet ﷺ is the only man.
it means you and me don't exist.
think about it.
Have your leaders told you the truth?